Circle B Bar Reserve is located on former ranch land in Polk County near Lakeland, Florida. In 2000, this land was purchased and restored to its original marsh and wetland status to provide habitat for resident and migratory birds and other wildlife. The tree-lined entrance road winds its way to the Nature Discovery Center and the trailheads leading into the wetlands. We begin our hike today along Heron Hideout, and in just a few steps we encounter our first glimpse of wildlife. This family of Sandhill Cranes are out early looking for breakfast in the shallow waters next to the trail. This limpkin has already had its breakfast and now it's time to clean up a bit. Here, a marsh rabbit enjoys some fresh greens while keeping a wary eye out for his neighbor, Mr. Alligator, who might just consider him a tasty treat. As we turn onto the trail, appropriately named Alligator Alley, we see plenty of its namesakes both in the water and sometimes up on the trail. This 8-footer decided to take a little nap smack in the middle of the trail, creating a bit of a traffic jam and, of course, a photo op. After about 45 minutes, he yawns and decides it's time to move on, swimming away into the swamp. Sharing the shallow waters are these two gallinules, omnivores who feed on both small invertebrates and vegetation found here. The egret is a common variety of wading bird found here, along with this camera-shy turtle. Quite the ambitious fisherman, this great blue heron has caught his meal and now just has to figure out how to swallow it. Back at home, this nesting pair of great blues are having a boisterous conversation high up in the tree next to the trail. This red-shouldered hawk has a great view perched high up in its tree. Here, a pileated woodpecker is searching for wood-boring insects and larvae, its main source of food. We got to see a variety of Circle B Bar's residents here today, and it's only fitting to finish up our hike along Lake Hancock and share the view with one of our fine feathered friends.